XPOWER wall-mounted cooling fans are the ideal solution to help you improve your work environment by providing adequate ventilation and lighting. The FA420K2 and FA300K2 are supported by a 40-inch foldable wall-mounted arm. The arm includes two power outlets to plug in the axial fan and LED spotlight. The FA420K2 is perfect for large warehouses and containers. With an advanced motor, it can deliver a strong, refreshing airflow. Equipped with 5 speeds, a 3-hour timer, and an adjustable angle, it is more flexible to use. The spotlight provides a powerful 3,600 lumens at a 5,000 K light color for safety and visibility. For workshops, the XPOWER FA300K2 may be a good choice. It can provide enough airflow with 4 speeds and features a 3-hour timer. Besides, the FA300K has a 20-inch wall-mounted arm that contains one power outlet to plug in the axial fan. It can be used in gyms and other small commercial places. XPOWER cooling fan kits are designed to provide exceptional air circulation, ventilation, and illumination for commercial spaces. If you're looking for a cooling and ventilation solution, an XPOWER cooling fan kit is the answer.